Okay. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Using the glass and score. Kalma lang, kalma. Kick out. Oh. Ayan na, pass to Entoy Hustia. Oh, good. Ibang by Wapi. Last 1 minute tayo. Entoy Hustia, pass to Wapi. Wapi, alley-oop. Kick out to Entoy. Boss Entoy, 4-3, no. Number 26 with the pull-up, wala. Here comes JM. Oy. Steal. Here comes number 7. All the way and score. By Enteng Bantasan. Entoy, top of the key. Wala tayo. Wala daw foul. Okay, end of the first quarter. Official score 16-11. Ha? Ha? You know, shout out Boss Ari Gabasa. Sorry, that's Gabasa. Here comes Entoy Wapi.
Dito po ako sa boss. Ito sa pinaglabanan ko. Opo.
Oh, what a nice finger roll by JM De La Cruz. This ano sa page
Wala naman po.
Sports and Development.
Ano ba? Yung B2.
Yung pinagla-live ko ng mga bata. Kita mo? Ha? Wait lang. Official score is 18-13. Kabasa. Bad pass. Ano naka-recover? Uy. La Cruz. Official score 20-19. Maaga pa lang simula, sorry po sa mga kasyali lamang po. It's our first game. JM. Shot 2. Ay, ikaw pala. Shout out, Tare. Kamusta ka? Shooting in the line, jersey number 3, JM De La Cruz. With the time remaining 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Tabla tayo sa 20. Here comes number 10. Pass to Bosintoy. Wapi using the board and score. Para kay Wapi Gatchalian. Kay pare ko eh. Out of bounds. Ayan, Imata. Pass number 24. Fake. Side step. Block from behind. Rebound. Here comes Alvarado. There's a foul. And Toy, 4-3, short. It gets that putback by jersey number 10. 24-20. JM De La Cruz out of bounds. Santos for 3, no. Or Solis rather. Hintoy. Pass number 3, no good. Out of bounds. Here comes JM De La Cruz. May tahan ng bola. De La Cruz using the glass and score. 22-24 ang ating talahan. 2-point lead para sa team ni Consilora. Ryan Llanos Dia. 4-3, no. Rebound by Brian Mata. Coach Brian with the Hesi. Hintoy with the defense. Isolation play. Pass to number 3. And that's a step in on the line by JM De La Cruz. Alvarado. Matahan ang bola. Pass to Wapi. Back to parang Hintoy to number 10. Drop pass. Oh, it gets a foul by Solis. Time remaining 1 minute and 9 seconds. A 1 minute and 49 seconds. Running time po tayo. Mga kawani. Second shot by jersey number 3. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha ni Solis. Pass na Imata. Imata. Iniscarte. Imata. Up and under. No. Rebound. Ayun na. JP. One hand shot. No. Rebound by Hintoy. Pass to Wapi. Back to Hintoy. Pustia, pinahesi, umatake, bumali, umupo sa area. Pasok yan para kay Maring Hintoy. Pustia. Napakahusay ang former champion ng Mayor's Cup sa Seniors Division. Ayun na. Kick out. JP Sandrino, 4-3. What a 3-point para JP Sandrino from a sports office. Ayan. Here comes Wapi. Gatchalian. Pass to Alvarado. Back to Alvarado. Back to Gatchalian. Gatchalian. Kick out. Alvarado 4-3. Short. Rebound by Solis. Ayan na. Nagmamadali. Akin na to by jersey number 47. Ayan na, change favor. Lamang na ang team ni Mayor Francis Zamora. Hintoy Hustia. Back to Wapi. Wapi. Back to Hintoy. From elbow 3. Bang! 3-point by Idol Hintoy Hustia. 3, 2, 1, and and that's the end of our first half. Official score 29-27 in favor of the team ni Consi Ryan Llanos Dia. Nakabawi doon by 3 points ang by jersey number 57 Hintoy Hustia. Kaya sila ngayon ang kalamangan ng dalawa. Kaya naman natin ang huddle. ng coach ng team ni Mayor Francis Zamora. Alright, third quarter tayo. Magbabalik para sa third quarter. Next game na yan, no? Ay, wala. Parang may labang ka. Nag-scout ka dyan, ha? Tumutunog ng aking... Okay, while we're setting up, basta tayo ng inyong mga shoutout. Wala ngayon topak ang aking cellphone.
Shoutout kay ano?
Okay, second quarter tayo. Let's go. Bola rito ng team ni Mayor Francis Zamora. Ako, delaying the game na. Warning na ako, rep. Joke lang. Okay, let's go. Back to the ball game tayo. Coach Imata. Pinagay sa corner, 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Ay, Solis. Back to Imata. Pinagay sa corner. JM. Pass to Solis. Kick out, number 13, 4-3, Fernandez, no. Rebound dito ng team ni Consi, Ryan Llanos Dia. Here comes Wapi. Gotcha yan. Pass to Intoy, 4-3, wala. Rebound. By Solis. Solis, pass to JM. JM, up and under with a reverse layup by JM De La Cruz. Tabla tayo sa 29. Hoy, bola! Intoy, Hustia. May tanga ng bola. Pass number 26. Catch and shoot. No. Rebound by number 3. Back to Intoy. Intoy with the Hesi. Drop pass. Number 26. Using the board. Wala. Rebound by again. By Intoy. What a nice hustle for both team. Ayun na. Nakakuha pa rin ng mga naka-gray. Number 10 behind the back. Oh. Out of bounds. Ganda na sana ng pasang yun. By jersey number 10. Coach Imata, Brian. To Pantasan. Enteng. Floater. Wala. Rebound. Ng mga naka-gray. Ayun na si Wapi. Gatchal yan. Pass to Intoy. Here comes Idol Intoy. Pinigay kay number 10. Panas na loob. Back to number 26. Ang ganda naman ng pasana yun. Para sa team ni Consular Llanos. Ryan Llanos di. Floater by Coach Imata. No. Rebound by Intoy. Here comes Intoy. Ayun na. Nagmamadali. Uy, there's a foul by JM De La Cruz. That's a pushing foul. Shoutout muna tayo. Let's go. Alvarado. Pass to Wog Gatchal yan. Bounce pass. Uy, what a nice shot by jersey number 3. 4-point lead para sa team ni Consi, Ryan Llanos di. Here comes Enteng. Enteng, Hesi. Pull up, jumper for 3. No, rebound. by Solis. Steal by Intoy. Intoy nagmamadali. Intoy. 2 against 2. Fake. Bigay. Alvarado. Back to Intoy. Intoy, binantayan na doon ni Enteng. Intoy. Pass to Alvarado. Pass number 3. Uy, sumalaksak at pasok yan. Siyempre. Time out dito. Ang team ni Mayor Francis Zamora. Time remaining 6 minutes and 31 seconds. 35, 29, 6-point lead para sa team ni Consular Ryan Llanos D. Shoutout kay Eugene Garan Espanyo. Ayan, comment down below lamang po kayo at team siskaping mabasin. Ay, sige. Sige lang. Shoutout muna tayo dyan, JM. Let's go. De La Cruz. Wala. Paso Fernandez. Emata. Running shot and score. 31-35. Babasa apat ang lamang ng team ni Consular Ryan Llanos D. Alvarado. Back to Wapi. Back to Alvarado. Alvarado. Pinagay. Intoy. Libre sa 3. Wala. Rebound by JP. Pass to Emata. Emata with the Hesi. Emata matake. And there's a foul. Jersey number 1, Alvarado. Shooting the line, jersey number 20, Brian Imata. Basket is good. Time remaining 5 minutes and 44 seconds. Second shot is good. Mabasa dalawang lamang ng team ni Consul Ryan Llanos D. Intoy Hustia, may tanga na bola. Intoy gets the 3. No. Rebound by Imata. Brian. Drop pass to JP. JP. Nabitawan. Steal ng Malagre. Intoy. Pass to number 26. And score. By jersey number 26. Iba na ang matangkad. Ayan na, si Enteng. Enteng. Didiskarte. Enteng. Kick out. Pass to Brian. Pass to Fernandez. Back to Brian. Brian. Oh, steal. By Wapi. Gatchal yan. Makakuha dito ni Intoy. Intoy. Pass number 3. Number 3 behind the back. Uy, wala. Rebound. Makakuha ni Enteng. Enteng pass to JM. De La Cruz. Uy. What a nice move by JM De La Cruz. Time out dito. Ang team ni Consi Ryan Llanos D. Yan natin ang adel ng mga naka-gray. Time remaining 4 minutes and 26 seconds. 37-35. Baba sa dalawang kalamangan ng team ni Consular Ryan Llanos D. Shoutout kay Vash, Linad, Malan, Cos. And shoutout din kay James Winston na pangataga CEDOC or CEDOC. Yan. Siyempre, shoutout din po kay ating kagawad Ronald Laruscain. Ayan, shoutout coach. Coach Owie Laruscain is watching. Magandang gabi. Mapag po. Oy, basket by Wapi. Here comes Imata, floater short. Oy. Mukhang nagkakapisikalan na sa loob. Ayan na. Number 1. Parehas ayaw magpatalo. 39-35. Balik sa apat ang lamang ng team ni Consular Ryan Llanos D. Ayun na. Yan talaga sa basketball is Cam Swapi. Gotcha yan. Bounce pass. 3. Number 3 and 1. Basket count and 1 by jersey number 3. That is Santos. Yeah, from CDR RMO. Shoutout po. And syempre, pa-shoutout din kay ating mga kasamahan, kay Coach Nino Mauricio. Ayan. Sa ating Sports Development Office. Ayan, mabuhay po kayo. Let's go! Enteng. Pass to JP from the elbow 3. Wala. Rebound. By Imata. Pass to JP. No. Rebound makakuha. Imata. Imata with the cross. Imata. Binigay. Pull up jumper. No. Drop pass to JP. Wala pa rin. Makakuha ni Solis. Solis running shot. And there's a foul. Number 3, Santos. They're shooting in the line. And jersey number 38. That is Solis. First shot, no good. Second shot. Second shot, no. Rebound by Solis. Solis, and there's the foul. Shooting on the line. Jersey number 38 once again on the free throw area. It's Solis. Time remaining 2 minutes and 51 seconds sa ating third quarter. First shot para kay Solis. And score. 36-41. Baba sa 5 ang kalamangan ng team ni Consular Ryan Llanos D. Here comes Solis. Wala. Rebound by Santos. Ayan na. Gotcha yan. Setting on the play. Gotcha yan ang magpo-point guard para sa team ng mga naka-gray. Pass to Gabasa, 4-3, short. And rebound by JP Sandrino. To Imata. Imata, drop pass, steal by Santos. Basang-basa yon ni Santos. Here comes number 26. Pass to Wapi. Gotcha yan, back to number 26 at the post. Ayun na ang double team. Oh, walang tawag. Oh! Kakapisikalan na po tayo dito. Sports lang tayo mga idol. Okay, there's a foul. Penalty. Shooting on the line, jersey number 20, Brian Imata. That's like last ball possession. Eh, seryoso na yan pare. Enteng. Seryoso. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Sandrino, 4-3. Wala. Rebound by Solis. Too strong. Sandrino, wala pa rin. Ayan na. There's the foul. Foul number 8 or number 6. That's Gabasa. Oh, wala naman 6 ah. Shooting on the line, jersey number 38, Solis. Time remaining 1 minute and 49 seconds. Second shot para kay Solis. Bang! 37-41. Babasapat ang kalamangan ng mga naka-gray. Intoy Hustia, may tangan ng bola. Pass to Alvarado. Alvarado, back to pinasa Intoy. Alvarado sa gitna, using the board at nakalusot si Alvarado. Here comes alley-oop. Oy! There's a foul. Time out. Wala daw. Joke lang yan. It's a prank. Okay, back to the ball game. Number 38, Solis. First shot is good. Solis, no good. Rebound ng mga naka-gray. Here comes Alvarado. Oy, munti ka na magawan. Pass to Alvarado. Alvarado, 4-3. No. Rebound. Here comes Solis. 4 against 2. Solis and score. 43-40. 3-point lead para sa team ni Mayor Francis Zamora. Tatlo na lamang po ang inahabol ng mga naka-red shirt. Here comes Swapi. Gatchalian. Pass to Intoy. Intoy didiskarte. Intoy. 4-3. Short. Rebound by Coach Imata. 3 against 2. Imata. Pass to Fernandez. Walang tawag. Intoy. Oy! Munti ka na. And that's the end of our third quarter. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Official score of 43-40. 3-point lead para sa team ni Consilora. Ryan Llanos D. Alright, fourth quarter tayo. Here we go. Okay, fourth quarter. Sino kaya magwawagi sa labanang Consular Ryan Llanos D versus Mayor Francis Zamora team. Basket by jersey number 26. Para sa mga naka-gray. Here comes Enteng. Enteng setting on the play. 4-3. No. Rebound by Intoy. Pass to Wapi. Wapi, 2 against 2. Oy, nice pass to Intoy. Grabe yun. What a nice play para sa team ni Consular Ryan Llanos D. Imata spin. Imata block by Santos. Ayan na, 2 against 2. Here we go. And there's a foul. Foul dito si Enteng. At humingi ng call. Number 7. Time remaining 9 minutes and 10 seconds. in the line ng jersey number 9. Patayin. Basket. Ayan na. Lumulobo na. Kalamangan ulit ng team ni Consuelo Ryan Llanos D. Second shot is good. Ayan na. Siyam na po ang lamang ng mga naka-gray. Emata. Pass to Enteng. Enteng umatake. Pass to Solis. Solis with a strong drive. No. Rebound. Solis and gets a foul. Foul number 3. Santos. They're shooting the line. Just number 38. Santos. Time remaining 8 minutes and 56 seconds. First shot para kay Santos. Basket yan. Or shot del Solis. Second shot para kay Solis. Solis, wala. Rebound. Ay na si JP. That is a JP Sanderino. With a finger roll. 43-49. Baba sa 6 ang kalamangan ng team ng ni Consuelo Ryan Llanos D. Wapi pass number 10. Number 10. Back to Wapi. Woy. Foul dito. Ang mga naka-red shirt. Yes, Teoso. Teoso, pass to Wapi. Gatchalian. Gatchalian. Pass to Santos. Pass to Intoy. 4-3, short. Last touch. Bola rito ng team ni Mayor Francis. Zamora. Remaining time, 8 minutes and 11 seconds. Gets the 3. 3 points ba? 2 points lang daw po. Ang 3 points. Wapi Gatchalian. May tangan ng bola. Gatchalian. Pass to Santos. Santos with a strong drive. And there's a foul. Two shots para kay Santos. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 54 seconds. Oh, good.
Apat.
Basket. Ayun na, binigay. JM De La Cruz, out of bounds.
Graduate na siya, no?
Wala pa?
Mandap.
Wala pa. Pag-graduate pa lang. Oy, JP Sandrino, wala! Remaining time, 7 minutes and 32 seconds. Nakakalahati na po tayo. Emata 4-3, wala. Rebound. Teoso. Pass to Alvarado. Alvarado, back to Intoy. Pustia. Boy, what a nice give and go. Wala. Rebound dito ni JP. Outed pass, De La Cruz. Uy. There's a foul by number 1, Alvarado. Shooting the line, jersey number 3, JM De La Cruz. Basket para kay JM, 47-50. 6 minutes and 58 seconds tayo. Second shot is good. Baba sa dalawang lamang ng team ni Consuelo Ryan Llanos D. Ayun na, oh, last touch. Here comes Intoy. Pass to Wapi. Pass to Santos sa gitna. Santos to Wapi. Wapi setting on the play. Backdoor pass. Intoy. Tumira sa tres. Wala. Rebound by Enteng. Here comes Enteng. Enteng. Running shot. Wala. Rebound by Santos. Pass to Intoy. Intoy. Pinigay kay Santos. Pass to Wapi. Back to Santos. Santos. Wala. Rebound. Tejoso and get the foul.
Pumano ka?
Just shooting the line and just number 10, Tejoso. Time remaining 6 minutes and 4 seconds. First shot para kay Tejoso, wala. Basket is good by Tejoso. 6 minutes and 4 seconds. Emata. Crossover, pass to JM. Reverse layup and score. Timeout. Consuelo Ryan Llanos team. Timeout dito ang team ni Consuelo Ryan Llanos D. Remaining time 5 minutes and 49 seconds. 51-50, 1 point lead para sa mga naka-gray. And shoutout kay Buddy Janice Gatchalian is watching. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola rito ng mga naka-gray team. Wapi. Pass to Intoy. Intoy to Alvarado. Back to Intoy. Intoy pinasa. Tejoso with a basket is good. By Tejoso. Enteng, bantasan. Backdoor pass. JM catch and shoot. In and out. Rebound. Gets a foul. Oh, what a nice cut there, pero wala. Rebound. Makuha dito ni Alvarado. Alvarado, pass to Wapi. Wapi. Setting on the play. Nakatawid. Wapi. Pass to Alvarado. Alvarado, may tanga ng bola. Ay na, pass to Wapi. Long shot, short. That's a 24-second shot clock violation. Bola rito ng team ni Mayor Francis Zamora. Bantasan Enteng. Pass to Emata. Emata, cross, spin move, route it. It's a floater and score. Baba sa isang lamang ng team ni Consuelo Ryan Llanos D. Here comes Alvarado. Pass to Intoy. Hostia. Santos. Umatake. Uy. That's a pushing foul by Intoy Hostia. Main time, 4 minutes and 18 seconds. That shooting the line ng jersey number 7. Uy. Nagkakainito na po. Basket. Ayan, shoutout daw po si Aaron Castillo Carpina. Shoutout po by Buddy Janice Gatchalian. Time remaining 4 minutes and 18 seconds. Tabla tayo sa 53. Alvarado, pass to Intoy. Hustia. Back to Alvarado. Cross po pass, Tejoso. Oh, sorry, Gatchalian. Oh, steal. Paimata. Ayan na ang double team. Here comes. Ayan na si Solis. And score. Uy. Lamang na ang team ni Mayor Francis. Intoy, 4-3, short. Uy. Out of bounds.
Injury pa. Ay, injury pa tulog.
Okay, 3 minutes and 27 seconds. Mata pass to Ente. Yabang. 3-point by Ente. Kibantasan. 58-53. 5-point lead para sa team ni Mayor Francis Zamora. Ayun na, Tejoso. Uy. Ayun na, sino tatanggap? Bibigay kay Intoy. Uy! Bitawan. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng team ng mga nakapula. Here comes JM De La Cruz. Umatake. Using the glass at nakalusot. By JM De La Cruz. Tossing. 53-60. Alvarado. Pass to Intoy. Back to Alvarado. To Wapi. Pass to Santos. Back to Alvarado. 4-3. No. Rebound by Solis. Here comes Solis. Nagmamadali. Solis. There's a foul. Penalty. Both teams under penalty situation. Time out dito. Ang team ni Consular Ryan Llanos D. Ben, aliado ba? Bossy, aliado na. Okay, next game po natin ang team ni Consular Don Aliado and versus our Vice Mayor Attorney Angelo Agawili. Ayan, next game po natin yan pagkatapos nito. Ayan, mga naka-green po. At mga naka-blue ang susunod nating next game. Shooting on the line by Solis. Wala. Siyempre, shoutout din kay Clyde ay Ikamen Ortiz. And OG, Andres Malbar. Okay, back to the ball game. Ayan na, naghahabol dito ang team ni Consular Ryan Llanos D. Out of bounds. Here comes Santos. Santos using the glass. Out of bounds. Sandrino, pass to Brian. Pass to JM. To Solis, floater and one. Enteng Malvar or Enteng Bantasan. Time remaining 1 minute and 29 seconds. No rebound. Here comes Team Consular Ryan Llanos. Steal. .53 po tayo. 9-point lead para sa team ni Mayor Francis Zamora. Ayun na, inubos na lamang po ang oras ni Coach Brian Imata. Kick out. Enteng 4-3. Uy! Sumusuntok sa ere si Enteng. What a nice pass. A nice shot by Hintoy Hustia. Mabasa 10 ang kalamangan ng team ni Mayor Francis Zamora. Last 27 seconds. 2 seconds to shoot. Counted. Naubos na lamang po ang oras. Sumabot pa. Nangyari ang coach. Okay. 20 seconds. $15 seconds. Santos. Tejoso. Basket. 6, 4. Uy! Counted. Oh, basket count by Sandrino JP. Alright, our final score 57-67. 10-point lead para sa team ni Mayor Francis Zamora. And a nice game para sa team ni Consular Ryan Llanos D. Ayan. What a good game from both team. Alright, maraming salamat po sa panonood. Babalik tayo para sa ating next game. Ang team ni Consular Don Aliado versus our very own, our Vice Mayor, Attorney Angelo Agkawili team. Okay, this is your San Juan City Employee Olympics 2025 here at our makabagong San Juan City. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at magbabalik tayo para sa ating second game.